Hello guys, my name is Rizky from acreativealt. I really couldn't believe when I saw my calendar yesterday and we are at the end of January 2021. Hopefully everyone has a good start of 2021. One of the things that I always do at the beginning of the year is to talk about my favorite camera gear of last year. Last year, I was actually talking about my favorite 360 camera, which is the Insta360 One X. Yes, that particular device is still one of my favorite camera device. In fact, I've been bringing that particular camera to all of our projects to do behind the scenes. But my favorite camera last year, and I do believe a lot of video guys would agree with me, is actually this gear, which is the Blackmagic Atem Mini. This deserves to be my favorite gear of the year, and of course for many others is the fact that I think this device has helped many of us in the video industry and in the events industry to survive 2020. Some of you guys may have known if you watch some of my other videos in the channel, my company acreativealt used to rely a lot on events. So of course when 2020 hits, we basically lost a lot of projects. At the beginning of the year, we actually lost 30 projects in 2020, and of course along the way there are many more projects cancelled. This device was actually the device that helped us to pivot. We were pretty lucky that we managed to pivot pretty fast, and we had the opportunities to do live stream catalog launch for my favorite furniture company, and it was such an honor for us. I think it's a milestone project for us. We have also assisted a couple of different event companies to pivot by also using this device, and some of them now is actually doing really well. And of course, beside doing live events, I was also moving towards webinars, so I used this to some of my webinars. It was really amazing to see like how those giant TV mixers that used to cost like $10,000 and above being scaled out into like such an affordable device like this. So what do you think about this Atem Mini series? Regardless whether you're using the mini one or the Pro or the Pro ISO whatsoever, I'm looking forward to see the next iterations of this Atem Mini. So what is your favorite gear of 2020? I would love to hear it in a comment. And for some of you guys fellow video producers and photographers, what is your experience with 2020? Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time.